Good morning, everyone. We are starting our fall cleanups. Actually, we started them last week, but this week we have to trim shrubs, cut trees back, and pick up the leaves after it's been raining. You know how that works. Today it's low 40s. It's going to be a sustained wind of about 20 by this afternoon, and we're going to work as long as we can before the rain and the wind hits us in about 5 hours. So let's get started and get on with our day.
Hedge trimmer I'm using is an Echo HC 150. I paid $30 for this off of Facebook Marketplace. Right now I'm having problems keeping it running. Fuel mixture for the summer is refined a little better than it is in the winter, so right now the summer gas does not want to be burned very well in this trimmer. Yes, it is raining. And we're very fortunate that our city picks up brush and grass clippings a few times a year. That's included in our taxes that we pay for the city. Every fall we like to trim these shrubs to just about waist height or a little bit over. And it is starting to rain a little bit harder now. Wild Badger sent me the Sunseeker MVT26i 4-in-1 pole saw. I am using this instead of my Echo pole saw because this is quite a bit lighter. And when I'm reaching all the way under there, it's nice to have it. It's got just as much torque as the Echo 2650. When we first started mowing this yard, I could walk all the way around that tree without having any problems with the push mower. Now it's gotten so big that it had to be trimmed back. This is a Scotch pine, and it smells really nice. Sun's shining and it's raining. leaves in the trees got to come down yet.
What'd you say, Missy?
I say that we're all done with this till next week.
Well, on this kind of a day, you go from freezing to my hat's soaking wet from the rain, so and sweating. It got warm out there with me run that hedge trimmer. Best $100 I ever spent. And so this is going to be it for us for today, and this is just the beginning. We're just getting started, so yeah, it's going to be fun because it's going to be cold for a long time, so shouldn't be too bad for the clamps. You can actually be kind of comfortable out there except for the rain a little bit. Other than that, that's it for us for today. Please comment, like, and subscribe.
To the next